How to fix Reddit app sound problem. Welcome guys, if you have sound problem on Reddit, I will show you how to fix this. Let's start. Just open the settings of your phone first, click right now on your apps option and here search for Reddit and click. Guys, you will find this list of options, scroll it down, click on storage, click clear cache and back. Click right now at for stop, click OK. Come to Play Store or App Store and update Reddit. Restart your device after this and that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and bye.